Okay, good morning children. Today we are learning about number system. This class is for 5th class, 5th and 6th class students. You already learn in 5th and 6th, already learn in 4th class also. So you have understand this in an easy manner. మీరు సులభంగా అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు. For how many number systems are there? There are 5 number systems are there. One is Indian number system, and second is international number system, and Roman number system, and digital number system, and binary system. But we are using these 3 systems in our mathematics. Indian number system and international number system and Roman number systems we are using, and binary system, decimal system are used in computers. First one, we are introducing about Indian number system, and here I given the place values of numbers in Indian number system. Here ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousands place, 10,000 place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, and crores place. All of you understand or not? Andar ardham cheskunnara ledha? First one is ones place, second one is tens place, third one is hundreds place, fourth one is thousand place, fifth one is 10,000 place, next one is lakhs place, next one is 10 lakhs place, next one is crores place. This is an Indian number system. Here I given an example for you. Have put a comma after 3 numbers, and thereafter have to put a comma after 2 numbers. Here the number is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, and 10 lakhs. So in lakhs the number is 52, so you have to write it as 52 lakhs 46,250. All of you understand or not? Here ones place digit is 0, ones place, tens place digit is 5, 100 place digit is 2, 1000 place digit is 6, 10,000 place digit is 4, and lakhs place is 2, and 10 lakhs place is 5. So you have to put a comma after 3 numbers, and thereafter have put a comma after 2 numbers. So here the number is 52. Here the lakhs place we get a number is 52. So we have to write it as 52 lakhs 46,250. I have given another example for you. Here put a comma after 3 numbers, and thereafter I have to put a comma after 2 numbers. Here the place values is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crore. So we write this number as 1 crore 86 lakhs 75,586. All of you understand or not? Andar ardham cheskunnara meeru? Ones place 6, tens place 8, 100 place 5, 1000 place 5, 10,000 place 7, అలాగే 1 lakhs place 6, 10 lakhs place 8, crores place 1 ఉంది. సో ఈ నెంబర్ మనం ఎలా రాయొచ్చు అంటే 1 crore 86 lakhs 75,586. All of you understand? Okay, the another number system is international number system. The place values of international system are written here. The place values of international system is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place, 10,000 place, 100,000 place, millions place, 10 millions place, 100 millions place, and billions place. Yes. All of you understand or not? Here in international system, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place, 100,000 place, millions place, 10 millions place, 100 millions place and billions place is there. Here I give an example for you. You have to here you have to put a comma after 100 place, and thereafter I have put a comma after 3 numbers. Here 1's place digit is 0 and 10's place digit is 6 and 100 place is 8. You have to put a comma here, and then 1000 place is 7 and 10,000 place is 6 and 100,000 place is 4. You put a comma here, and then it is millions place, and next one is a 10 millions place. So the number in the millions place is 12, so I have to read it as 12,467,860. అందరూ అర్థం చేసుకున్నారా లేదా? చూడండి, వన్స్ ప్లేస్లో మనకి ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 6 ఉంది, తర్వాత 8 ఉంది, 7 ఉంది, తర్వాత 6 ఉంది, 4 ఉంది, 2 ఉంది, 1 ఉంది. కానీ మనం 100 వన్స్ ప్లేసు, 10's ప్లేసు, 100 ప్లేస్ తర్వాత కామా పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఆ తర్వాత 1000 ప్లేసు, 10,000, 100,000 ప్లేస్ తర్వాత కామా పెట్టుకోవాలి. తర్వాత మిలియన్స్, 10 మిలియన్స్, 100 మిలియన్స్ తర్వాత కామా పెట్టుకోవాలి. నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ మనకి నెంబర్స్ మిలియన్స్ వరకే ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇక్కడ మనం దీన్ని యూ హ్యావ్ టు రీడ్ ఇట్ యాజ్, దీన్ని ఎలా చదవాలి అంటే 12,467,860. So I have given another example for you here. Here it is 5 in 1's place and 6 in 10's place, 7 in 100 place, 8 in 1000 place, 6 in 10,000 place, 5 in 100,000 place, and 2 in millions place, and 1 in 10 millions place, and 0 in 100 millions place, and 2 in billions place. So I have to read it as 2 billions 12 millions 568,765. అలా అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆర్ నాట్? అందరూ అర్థం చేసుకున్నారా? వన్స్ ప్లేస్లో ఇక్కడ 5 ఉంది, 10's ప్లేస్లో 6 ఉంది, 100 ప్లేస్లో 7 ఉంది, 1000 ప్లేస్లో 8 ఉంది, 10,000 ప్లేస్లో 6 ఉంది, 100,000 ప్లేస్లో 5 ఉంది, మిలియన్స్ ప్లేస్లో 2, 10 మిలియన్స్ ప్లేస్లో 1, 100 మిలియన్స్ ప్లేస్లో 0, బిలియన్స్ ప్లేస్లో 2 ఉంది. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు కాల్ ఇట్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు రీడ్ ఇట్ యాజ్. దాన్ని ఏ విధంగా చదవాలి అంటే 2,12,568,765. I'll give you a worksheet for you. I have to do it and place it in the WhatsApp. See here, I have given a worksheet for you here. This class is for 5th and 6th because of number system is given in 5th class textbook and 6th class textbook also. So I have conducted the class for both the classes. I given the worksheet for both the 5th and 6th class students also. Here the first question is, read the numbers in Indian system and put the commas. I given 2 sums here. I have read the number, put the commas here only, not write in words. And second sum is write in words in Indian system. I have put the commas and also write in words here. And third sum is read the numbers in international system and put the commas. You have to put the commas only for this sums, 2 sums. And fourth sum is write the words in international system. You have to put the commas and write in words also here for these 2 sums. You have to do all the sums in a rough book or white book and put it in a WhatsApp to this number.